I'll say what I believe, no matter the consequences. This match was fixed, and the whole world saw it. If Argentina was always meant to win, why invite the rest of us? This is about marketing, money, and making Messi the champion. We played better than Argentina. We deserved the penalty, but VR never even reviewed it. We paid the price. Our second goal was disallowed without a convincing explanation. Football wasn't fair today. Life isn't always fair. Stop! I won't watch another World Cup match. That's my protest against everything happening here.